Oh my gosh. Good morning, America, and any other country watching. Today, I am bringing you along with me for every meal / snack that I eat today for a what I eat in a day video. This is a very special what I eat in a day video because not only am I on a college campus, but I am also eating vegan. Full disclosure, I'm not a full vegan yet. I am transitioning slowly but surely to become a vegan. And being on a college campus trying to do it is not the easiest thing to do. So every now and then we do eat our meats and our milks and stuff like that. But with that being said, obviously eating on any college campus is not ideal, and especially trying to do any specific diet is not going to make it any easier. But the school that I go to has a few vegan options. Like in the dining hall, there's always something to eat that's vegan. 9 times out of 10, it's like not good, but sometimes it can be good. And we have a few restaurants on campus that serve like plant-based type stuff. So I'm gonna bring you along with me for all of that. Last semester, when I first started trying to become vegan, I actually did it because the food here was so bad that I just started getting like the vegan chicken nuggets or the veggie burgers that you can request at the burger station that we have at the dining halls. And then like I started seeing like how easy it was to be vegan. Like I was like, actually, this isn't hard. And then I looked up some stuff about it, and then I joined like a plant-based club on campus. So like I'm trying to stop eating meat, stop eating like dairy and stuff like that for my health and for the planet, because it's so much better for you and for the world we live in. Good morning, USA. For breakfast, I recommend eating like something heavy if you're like trying to be a vegan, especially on a college campus, because you don't know what the dining hall is going to serve. You don't know what restaurant is going to have what on campus or where you're going to go. So I would just try to like eat something heavy for breakfast so that, you know, you don't starve for the rest of the day because you don't know what you can count on. And that's something that a lot of other vegans say who go to college. Like that's a tip that they give, to try to eat something like oatmeal with a whole bunch of stuff in it for breakfast. But on the contrary, I have to go to class in a minute and I just woke up. So for breakfast today, we're going to have something very light. So for breakfast, I'm just going to have some cashews and a little bit of water because we are not allowed to eat in class. And I have class on Zoom for my first class of the day. But we have to have our cameras on, and we're not allowed to eat or drink anything because it's unprofessional. And I have class in like 25 minutes, and I still have to get ready. So I'm just gonna eat some nuts real quick and some water, and I will probably, when I leave this room, go somewhere else, like Starbucks, to get some coffee or something, so I can put something else in my stomach, because a few cashews and water is not going to do it for me. And if I do that, I will tell you guys, bring you along with me. But for now, let's eat some cashews. Cashews are so good. That's honestly like the only nut that I eat like raw, I guess.
Welcome to Monday Night Raw.
By itself. Peanuts by themselves are nasty. Almonds too, but I like peanut butter and almond butter and stuff. I haven't tried cashew butter, but cashews are top tier. Okay, so I've had 3 classes back to back to back, and I have nothing but nuts and water in my stomach, so I am so hungry right now. It's time for lunch. We have this place on my campus called Pura Vida, and it's like a local restaurant with like healthy food and stuff, and they have a lot of vegan options. So I am going there. They take meal swipes, so I don't have to spend any money because the food there is so expensive. We have one on our college campus, but like people who live just around the area go there. So hopefully it's not too busy because it always ends up getting busy around lunchtime. And I will see you guys when we get there. So we are now on our way to Pura Vida. It is so hot outside, so like I said, hopefully it's not a line so I don't have to be waiting in the heat. But even if there's not a line, they like take their precious time to make your food, which I guess is a good thing because it's not like fast food. I'm waiting for the train to go by. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but yeah, I guess it's a good thing that they take their time to make the food, which means it's not like rushed or like sitting in a freezer waiting to get thawed out somewhere. But they do take a long time, so hopefully I don't start sweating everywhere. Here it is. The food is actually all kosher, and I'm not Jewish, so I don't know what that means, but this is my lunch. I got a veggie wrap. Okay, I'm back in my room now, and I only ate half of my veggie wrap. See, there's the other half. Because I am so full already. I don't know what they put in there. They put a whole bunch of vegetables and like filling vegetables like chickpeas and avocado in there. So I'm so full, and I'll eat the other half later. And it comes with this green tahini sauce. I'm not like entirely sure if it's vegan. And I've never asked them before because I don't want to be that one person that's like, is this vegan, to the cashier? So I just assume that it is. But if you know, like, if green tahini sauce is vegan, please comment down below so I can not have to second guess myself. But yeah, that is my lunch. I don't know if I'm gonna eat a snack before dinner, but if I do, I'll obviously record it. When I was in line at Pura Vida, there were 2 people in front of me, but usually I'm just so used to like randoms coming to the restaurant, and I like go here, so I'm allowed to like order stuff at the cash register and use a meal swipe. Most people when they come here, they like order it on the app and they wait in line for like the in-app purchases. So I just assumed that those 2 people that were in front of me were just waiting for their meal and I was gonna order. But like I went in front of them and the lady inside was like, they're in line. I was so embarrassed, so I had to get to the back of the line where I was. But I got my food. They also have really good coffee, by the way. I should have got some of their coffee, and I'll probably try their coffee in another video. I actually have a lot of coffee inspired themed videos in my plans to film later, so stay tuned for that. Okay, it is now time for dinner. I'm about to just get dinner at my dining hall. The vegan options in my dining hall are, they could be better. It's usually like one section with a token vegan dish. It's like a different one every day. Or you can go to where like the burger section is, where they always have burgers and hot dogs, and you can ask them for vegan chicken nuggets, a veggie burger, or a black bean burger. And I usually get the veggie and black bean burgers. I'm feeling like a black bean burger today. But if they have like something good for the daily vegan dish, I will get that instead. Okay guys, so for dinner, I did have the black bean burger with fries because they were serving like something interesting for the vegan dish of the day. It was like vegan chicken tenders and something, I don't remember. But the vegan chicken tenders were literally just the chicken nuggets that you order over at the burger station that they heat up in the air fryer from the freezer. But anyways, I just had the black bean burger and fries, which is what I usually get, and I put some onions on it. And yeah, that's what I have for dinner. Nothing too special. I didn't get a lot of footage in the dining hall because like I didn't want to film in front of the people who like serve us food, the lunch ladies or whatever, because I feel like they would be like, why is he filming the food? Or they would be like, you need to stop filming the food. Because there's so many people who's filmed the bad stuff that we've had. It's not all bad, but sometimes we have really bad stuff in the dining hall, and they've like posted it on Twitter and it's like gone viral and stuff, and it just puts like the school in a bad light. So I feel like someone would have been like, why are you filming the food or something? So I didn't really get much pictures of like what they were serving in like the vegan section, but I got like one little video. Okay, so for the last thing that we're eating for the night, I'm going to have a little midnight snack because I have some homework to do and I just need something to get me through the torture of doing it. So I have this vegan chocolate chip cookie. This thing is huge. From this local vegan bakery near my school. And I am drinking some coffee that I will make for you guys in a second because I'm about to stay up for a few more hours and I'm getting a little tired, so I need some coffee to be able to help me do this homework. I'm making the coffee with Starbucks coffee, but I'm making it with Califia Farms oat milk. I think that's what it's called. I really do not like that oat milk. Like, it tastes so bad to me. Sorry for all the people watching out there who like that brand, but I usually get the Chobani brand, and when I was moving in here with my parents, they just bought me that one because it was on the shelves in Target. But I usually get the Chobani brand from Publix. I guess they don't have it at the Target I went to. But yeah, the Califia oat milk is so nasty. I need to go to the store and get more oat milk. But until then, I'm just gonna have to use it for my coffee.
Bruh.
Nasty oat milk. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I showed you all the things that I ate on campus. Very vegan, very plant-based friendly and everything like that. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video. If you like videos like this where I show you like my vegan journey of transitioning to a vegan lifestyle, or like more like vlog type of videos like this, comment down below some more suggestions because I actually like filming videos like this more than sit down videos, I think. So yeah, give me some suggestions, because the only reason why I don't do videos like this is because I feel like if I just did like a vlog, like day, week in my life, it would be boring. But if you guys want to see that, comment down below. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time you're watching this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!